welcome to Muckersworld. Here at the farm. Hello, Pops. Hello, 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 hello. Angel, hello, hello. Okay. Now we go outside and it's sunny. See bananas. And then behind me, mangoes. So, this is Muckersworld in the Philippines. So green. Not like Dubai. So, in the hammock, resting. Say hello, you're on Muckersworld. Hello. Muckersworld. Woo. Hello, hello. You'll see the video. See, very green. And this is birthday boy. Happy birthday. Hey. An uncle. So it's warm day today, as you can see. But it's nice to be safe in the Philippines, you know. This is, and there's lots of chickens. It's lush, it's green. You can see over there, big trees. Walking up here, see there's the bananas. You see the bananas? Oh. See, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, whatever that is. Whoosh. Whoosh ding. Whoosh ding 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 long. There's the rice fields. Birds singing. And we're coming to a little stop. Hope you're all having a wonderful time. Everything's good. Everything's happy. I've got my red horse, so it's all good. See, look at that view. That's lovely. So I'll do another couple when I'm here in Philippines. Just on the bench. I'll sit and just have a quick spin at this. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, definitely come to the Philippines. It's relaxed, it's chillax. Today, when I came here, the sun was lashing down with rain, lashing. But now, whoosh. Take care, God bless. And, in the words of the great philosopher, cheers.